This is a 10-minute yoga flow sequence that is focused on opening up your hips. So this is going to be a great sequence for you if you are doing this as a post-workout stretch, or maybe you are looking for a quick 10-minute tune-up at home, on the road, wherever it is that you may be. My name is Heather. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cole. He likes to join us. He's deaf, he's blind, he does whatever the heck he wants to do. So this is a sequence that you can do at the gym. You can do this at home if you've got a yoga mat, an exercise mat, or you can just simply do this on the floor. You can do this barefoot or with shoes on. So if you're at the gym, a lot of times they don't want you taking your shoes off. So you can certainly do this with your shoes on. So let's get started. We're going to come to a comfortable seated position on the ground, on your mat, on the floor, wherever it is that you are. And we're going to take a moment here to reconnect with our breath and just chill out our nervous system. Okay, just kind of bring it down. All right, so come to a comfortable seated position. Place the palms of your hands on your knees, on your thighs, on the floor beside you, wherever it is that feels comfortable. Maybe pet your dog. Maybe close your eyes here or soften your gaze. And take a moment to just reconnect with your breath. Just notice it. Become aware of it. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly. Expand your ribs. Lift your chest. Hold. And exhale, sigh it out. Inhale through your nose. Fill your belly. Expand your ribs. Lift your chest. Hold. And exhale, sigh it out. Once more, inhale through your nose. Fill your belly. Fill your ribs, fill your chest, hold, and exhale, sigh it out. Place the palms of your hands onto your mat in front of you, on the ground in front of you. Roll over onto your shins, come onto your all fours here. Tabletop position, hips are stacked over your knees, shoulders stacked over your wrists. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, press your hips up and back, downward facing dog. You have a few moments here to spend here in downward facing dog. You might want to pedal both feet. Maybe press your heels over to the right and hold, and press them over to the left and hold. Or maybe you just find some strength and stillness of this pose. We're here for 5. Inhale, lift your right leg high to the sky. Exhale, step forward, bring your right foot to the outside of the right palm of your hand. Lower your left knee down to your mat. Palms are grounded down into your mat or maybe into blocks. Option here to lower down onto your forearms or remain on the palms of your hands. Press your hips forward for runner's lunge. We're here for 5. Inhale, ground your left arm into the ground, left palm into the ground. Exhale, take your right palm and gently press open your right thigh, coming on to the outer edge of your right foot to open up your right hip. Notice how this feels on your right hip, but also your left. Breathe in. Breathe out. You have an option here to raise your right arm behind you, kick your left foot into your glute, reach for your left foot for a quad stretch. This also opens up your shoulder. And maybe you gaze behind your right shoulder. Lower your left knee down to the mat. Bring the palms of your hands back towards your mat. Heel toe your right foot to the middle of your mat. Bring the palms of your hands or your blocks to the outside of your right foot. Inhale, circle sweep your arms up overhead. Exhale, cactus arms, press your hips forward. Gaze comes up towards the ceiling. Inhale, arms cup up overhead. Press your hips back to neutral. Exhale, press your hips forward, cactus arms. Heart is open, gaze comes up towards the sky. And Nicole, that tickles. Inhale, come back to neutral, arms up overhead. Exhale, press your hips forward, arms open to cactus arms. Gaze up towards the ceiling. Inhale, hips come back to neutral, palms come down to your mat. Tuck your left toes, send your right foot back for three-legged dog. You have the option here to open your right hip, stack your right hip over your left, bring your right foot in towards your glute. Maybe take some hip circles here. One way and then the other. And then bring your foot back down to the ground, downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your left leg high. Exhale, step forward to the outside of your left foot. Lower your right knee down to your mat. Option to keep the palms of your hands on the ground, or maybe come onto blocks, or maybe even bring your forearms down to the ground and press your hips forward for a runner's lunge. Inhale, ground your right palm into your mat or into your block. Exhale, take your left palm, gently press open your left hip. Come on to the outside of your left foot. Maybe gaze over your left shoulder. An option here is to take your left arm, reach for your right foot. Bring your right foot in towards your glute for a quad stretch. Maybe reach your left arm behind you. Release your right leg back down to your mat if you're in the quad stretch. Bring the palms of your hands back to the middle of your mat. Heel toe your left foot into the center of the mat. Palms or blocks come to the outside of your left foot. Inhale, circle sweep your arms up overhead. Exhale, hands come to cactus arms. Press your hips forward, gaze comes up. Inhale, come back to neutral. Arms reach up overhead. Exhale, press your hips forward. Hands come to cactus arms. Gaze up towards the sky. Inhale, come back to neutral. Arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hips press forward, cactus arms. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, release your palms down to your mat. Tuck your right toes and send your left leg up and back. Maybe stack your left hip over your right. Bring your left foot in towards your glute. Take some hip circles here. One direction, then the other. And bring your left foot back down to your mat, downward facing dog. Bring your knees down to your mat. Swing your feet out to one side or the other. And for your final stretch here, bring the bottoms of your feet together, create a diamond in front of you. You can have your feet out here, or option to bring your heels in closer to your groin. You can wrap your palms around your feet, or maybe around your shins, maybe even around your knees. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale, forward fold. It's just a slight forward fold here, just until you feel the stretch in your hips. Inhale, bring your knees back into center, feet come down onto your mat. Sweep your knees side to side, relaxing the hips, getting things moving the way you want them to move. So thank you for joining me in this 10-minute focused yoga flow sequence today that is focused on opening up your hips. My name is Heather. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and maybe send this video to somebody who you think might find it helpful, who wants just a little bit of help with opening up their hips or just wants a quick 10-minute yoga tune-up. Thank you. I'll see you soon.